Xeon has sent us a parcel. So if you see here, it is written
EV key.
EV charging key, and we are tapping it. Alright, so the main thing comes in. So Xeon has sent us a parcel, and we are about to unbox this. So we are traveling, we are doing everything, and now we are doing an unbox video for Xeon.
Yeah. So this is the thing we were talking about, the RFID tag. And let's just open this packet. Firstly, a very nice and sturdy packaging, so that the product doesn't get damaged. With
Even the delivery was very fast. Like the product which we are about to tell you, if you are in South, you can basically order this. If you have an EV and you are using the Xeon charging,
Yes, any kind of EV.
any kind of EV, you can use the Xeon charging.
Just the
We've
branding.
got this paper, like how to use this thing, and it's a very nice box.
Nice cute little box.
It's all branded, like it's all branded,
Xeon branded and all.
branding, and if you can see here, it is written EV key. So it is. So I will show you what is it.
I'm just destroying the box because I can't wait to check it.
This is the manual. Wow, it's so cute.
Look at this. Don't mind the box, I destroyed it. But
So the packaging is so amazing. So
Yeah.
if you see here, it is written
EV key.
EV charging key. So if you remove this,
Oh, nice. It's red. Black and red. Like
Black
both,
and red
both
color.
Our favorite colors.
yeah. So the thing is, this is a RFID tag for your charging station.
Yeah,
So-
if you're there at any other Xeon charging station, you can just tap this key on the charger and start charging. No need to get on the app and select the location, select the charger, which one you want, nothing. You just connect the charger, tap this key, and the charging will start. So
And before that, before using this, you need to add the money in
Into
your
the wallet,
in your Xeon charging wallet.
yes,
And then you can use it. But how to register this, even we will see that how to register it, and we'll update you in the video.
yes, we'll make a proper video, including this unboxing. We'll make a proper video of how to register it, how to add money into the account, how to use the app, and how to use this RFID tag. We'll release this first because we are very excited to be using this, and we are unboxing this now because the next charger which we are going to use in the trip now is Xeon charger.
Yeah.
So this is going to be a fun experience because many times, like when we are using other chargers, the machine is not does not have a proper connection, or probably the app is not connected, or we don't have a proper internet connection, and machine is connected via LAN. It is active, but we don't have a proper internet
So we are
connection.
we are not complaining about any of the chargers.
Yes,
Uh,
but this is one issue that everyone faces, and we have faced it a lot of times in this trip itself. We've seen it. Because of the internet, we couldn't charge. So this thing comes in very handy, and we're waiting for the time when all companies start giving out these RFID tags.
So all the companies do have this feature. Even the Tata has, even Static has. All the companies has it, but no one is active right now. Only the Xeon charging.
Only Xeon chargers are active.
Yeah, active right now. If you are in South, if you are using,
you're lucky you can use this.
if you have an electric car, you can use this. You can order it right away.
Order this now, and it works as a keychain for you. So
Keychain, yes,
you can just hook it
yeah.
on to your keychain and keep it with you in your pocket itself.
Right.
So let's use it in the next station now.
We are registering the key, the charging key. So on the manual it says open the mobile app. So mobile app is already open, and select the RFID key. So you will see the picture on your screen how to register it. So here is the RFID key and register charging key. So here is the register charging key. So when you open the box, here is the charging key. You can put this charging key in your mobile application. So basically if you see, it is written register charge key here. Like you can click here and you can put the charging key in your mobile phone, so it will be registered.
That's it, and then you're good to go.
It is very simple. If you see, there are too many chargers right here in south. Alright, so the charging is complete. We are at 100% battery and we left from Tumkur. The names are a bit difficult to pronounce and to remember.
And now we head into Krishnagiri. 160 kilometers odd, 160-170 kilometers. और कृष्णागिरी में जाके चार्ज करना है. एंड वी आर थिंकिंग हम सेलम में नाइट हॉल्ट लेंगे. सेलम थोड़ा 100 किलोमीटर और आगे.
राइट.
थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेच करने का प्लान है ताकि कल जो हम नहीं कर पाए थे उसको कवर अप करें.
तो अभी जाते हैं कृष्णागिरी में. Xeon का चार्जर यूज कर रहे हैं
विद RFID टैग.
विद RFID टैग, यस. और दैट विल बी अ स्पेशल थिंग.
वेट फॉर.
So we have reached halfway and we are in Bangalore right now.
Exiting Bangalore actually. मतलब सीधा nice road से निकल के now we are connecting the highway that will take us to Krishnagiri. तो अभी वहाँ पर है. And I would like to say that whole stretch was simply amazing. बहुत मजा आया है. गाड़ी का परफॉर्मेंस भी नेक्स्ट लेवल रहा है. इतना लंबा रूट कवर कर लिया है. एंड 53% इज द बैटरी रिमेनिंग एंड ओनली 65 किलोमीटर आई हैव टू गो नाउ. तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है गाड़ी चलाने में. अमेजिंग रोड्स.
गाड़ी चलाने में मजा तो आ रहा है बट अभी आप देख सकते हो इतना ज्यादा ट्रैफिक हो गया है.
बैंगलोर पहुंचे
और ट्रैफिक लगना चालू. So we are right now in Krishnagiri and we are super excited to use the Xeon charger.
Yes, so finally we have reached here to the Xeon charger. First thing I'd like to tell you is that ABB charger is there, which we have already showed you in the Delhi,
yeah.
But they're one of the best chargers, which are the charger companies in the world, which is there. And also the location is just awesome. Like the number of
it's very beautiful.
The washrooms, even the play area for kids, everything is available here. So when you're charging it for 1 hour, probably like 100% charge, and it's taking 1 hour, you have a lot of things to keep your family occupied if you're on this highway.
Right.
And super excited, as Vicky said, we have to try this out. The key that we got, the charging key that we got from Xeon, we have to try that out and we'll show it to you how it works.
So we'll show it to you in a few minutes, so stick around. So finally we are connecting the charger and we are all set to use this RFID tag. If you can see, we are all set to use this RFID tag and we'll show you the screen how it starts. You just have to click OK.
You can see use your phone
or
to authenticate at the charger or RFID. We selected RFID
and here is the RFID logo which is selected here, and we are tapping here,
verifying you are allowed to start charging immediately.
Wow. It is so impressive. It is very, very fast. Like when you connect it through the application, it takes longer than what we are seeing right now.
Yes, no network required, no errors, nothing. You just tap and it started connecting. Amazing.
So we forgot to mention this is 50 kilowatt charger, and if you can see,
it already started charging.
We were just telling you about the charger and it already started. So let us give you the walkthrough of this place. So if you come here and charge your vehicle at Zion charging station, so you have Burger King, which you can basically chill here. You can have food, and it is very beautiful. Yeah, it is located at a very beautiful place. So we are actually late, and we have reached here at 10 o'clock. So yeah, you have Burger King here, and besides Burger King, you have very clean washroom. If you see, they are like cleaning non-stop. So the washrooms are very clean, and you have a proper South Indian restaurant, pure veg. And besides that, you have KFC, which is about to open very soon. So there are many places which you can come here and spend your time out here if the car has been charging. So and it has been charged through Zion charging. So yeah, there are many things to do and many things to pass your time. And if you are planning to come with your kids, so they even have a small playground which you can basically play out here with your kids. So it is a very good location, and yeah, you can come down here with your family if you have a electric car and chill here when your car has been charged. Alright, so we left from the charging station, the Zion charging station. So it was actually very good. The experience was actually very good. Even the place was very nice.
Clean toilets, everything was like perfect.
Yeah.
And where we had food, like dinner also was very good place. And frankly, like all the crowd favorites like KFC and which is opening soon. Then there's Burger King, and then Baskin Robbins. All these brands are also around. So very good destination to charge your car if you're on this highway.
So we showed you how to charge the car with RFID tag. If you have, once again we are telling you, if you have EV, if you have electric car, if you are in this city, if you are coming to Krishnagiri, you are passing Krishnagiri, you can charge your car here and you can order that RFID tag. And next charging station will show you how to charge the car with the app. We'll show you properly. They don't have much videos on YouTube, so we'll show you how to charge the car through the app. So if you are like using Zion charging, you should not have any issue with the app also, even with the RFID.
We'll give you all the details.
We'll give you all the details.
Journey now, I guess, till the time we come back to Bangalore.
Yeah.
We are mostly gonna be using Zion, so we'll show you the whole experience of using that charger. One more thing. Many people are under the conception if you use 50 kilowatt charger, it charges the car at double the speed. It is not like that.
No.
50 kilowatt charger, your car will take the amount that it can take. So your car can take around between 20 to 30 kilowatt, ideally around 20-25 kilowatt. So the car will take only that much power. It will not take full 50 kilowatt power. A car with a bigger range and a bigger battery pack will take that 50 kilowatt power.
So just like MG, that will take 50 kilowatt power. And even we would like to mention, we have already mentioned in the previous vlog, even with the 7.5 kV charger, if you are charging that 7.5 kV charger in the Nexon EV, so that will not take 7.5 kV ka power. Yeah. So don't be in that thing that if you charge through 7.5 kV, get some 7.5 kV chargers somewhere else. So don't be in that thing that it will charge.
A charger 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5.
Because they've made it in such a way that the car will take a particular amount of power through AC and a particular amount of power through DC.
Yeah.
You can't change it.
So the roads are very beautiful in Tamil Nadu, and we are really enjoying the drive. And the rains have stopped now, so we have better vision. We hope it doesn't rain ahead. So we are impressed with Tamil Nadu. Like the roads are so beautiful, and even highway के ऊपर हम ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, एक्चुअली 7,000 किलोमीटर हम लोग ने चला लिया है फ्रॉम पुणे टू जम्मू कश्मीर एंड जम्मू कश्मीर टू तमिलनाडु. सो जो हमने रोड्स वहाँ पे देखे और यहाँ पे देखे, उधर के भी रोड्स है अच्छे, बट दोनों के रोड्स में बहुत डिफरेंस है.
लाइक ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस. एक तो विद AC 80-90 की स्पीड में गाड़ी चला रहे हैं मस्त एकदम, और बहुत मजा आ रहा है. मतलब अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्यों हम रुक रहे हैं और चार्ज करके आगे निकल जाते हैं आज रात को ही. मतलब वी आर फीलिंग सो फ्रेश बिकॉज ऑफ द होल रोड्स एंड ऑल. एंड इवन स्मॉल थिंग्स लाइक सारे इंटरसेक्शंस पे उन्होंने ये लाइट्स लगाए हुए हैं ताकि आपको गाड़ियां अगर कोई क्रॉसिंग हो रही है या कुछ हो रहा है, 2 व्हीलर साइकिल वाले भी अगर कोई क्रॉस कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्लियर दिखे. और पहले से ही मार्किंग्स आ रहे हैं कि आगे इंटरसेक्शन आ रहा है, और उसका भी उन्होंने वो स्ट्रीट लाइट, अपना ट्रैफिक लाइट टाइप्स उन्होंने लगा के रखे हैं, ब्लिंकर्स.
एक्चुअली इट इज वेल मेड. मतलब अगर आप वो क्रॉसिंग की तरफ बढ़ते हो ना, सो यू गेट दैट इंडिकेशन,
वो कॉशन मिल जाता है कि यार आगे इंटरसेक्शन आ रहा है तो स्लो डाउन हो जाओ, या कोई आ रहा है तो आपको दूर से ही दिख जाता है कि कोई क्रॉस करने वाला है. एनी टाइम हाईवेज इतने डार्क होते हैं कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आता.
आपको अभी वो आ रहा है, आप देख लो. अभी ये क्रॉसिंग है यहाँ पे, तो आपको सामने लाइट ब्लिंक होता हुआ दिखेगा. तो ये एक्चुअली हमने यहाँ पे देखा है कि यहाँ पे ये लोगों ने सिग्नल टाइप में कुछ तो भी लगाया है जो आपको बहुत दूर से ऑलरेडी दिखता है कि लाइट ब्लिंक हो रहा है और यहाँ पे क्रॉसिंग है. सो दैट इज अ रियली वेरी गुड थिंग. यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने जो हाईवेज पे काम किया है, 2 हाईवेज इज अ 2 लेन हाईवे. सो हमको बिल्कुल भी वो तकलीफ नहीं हो रहा है कि 2 लेन हाईवे है तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गिचमिड़ हो चुका है हाईवे के अंदर. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी क्लीन एंड वेल मेड.
इवन द रिफ्लेक्टर्स एवरीवेयर, लाइक मतलब स्ट्रीट लाइट भी अगर नहीं है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टर आपको रोड के टर्न्स वगैरह समझ में आ रहे हैं. तो really love the work that has been done on the highway over here.
So we finally reached our destination, which is Salem, and we checked into a hotel. और अभी कल का प्लान कुछ और है, तो अभी फ़िलहाल सोते हैं. इट्स ऑलरेडी 2 AM और सोते हैं. आपको कल अपडेट करते हैं कल कहाँ जा रहे हैं.